Alrighty, here we go. We're going to start off with the Moyu Londons, and this is the Pro Collection 08. Wait, hold on, let me adjust some lights. Alright, I think that's a little better. Not as blinding, but I want you to be able to see the images. A lot of really pretty ones on this plate. And then we got Pro Collection XL01. This is a great plate, especially if you're just starting out and you don't really have like a lot of ideas. I mean, you can't ever go wrong with dots and stripes and patterns like these. I mean, they're just, to me, they're great, and they make for great backgrounds. So Pro Collection XL01, and then Pro Collection XL06. Oh, wow, yeah. Oh, I'm totally in love with that. Oh, I love this one, too. Oh, gosh. Y'all, it's a love affair. And then this one's the Sailor Collection 07. It's got a lot of, like, wavies and shells and stuff. This would be great for doing a, like, sea or beach mani. And then Holly Shapes Collection 10. Some of them still have the blue film on them. Those are nice too. I love the dots, and I love that one right there because it's half and half. Cool. And then Trend Hunter Collection 04. Very cool. And then Pro Collection XL20. It's a little dirty, but it's still a beautiful plate. And then another with the blue film. And this is the Steampunk Collection 01. That one's a little harder to see because of the blue film. But I love the steampunk stuff. Oh. And this is Festive Collection 12. You got your banners, and then you got rain and packaging, little flowers and wheat, and got a pretty little cross right there and a bird. I like this one too. And then next up we've got Steampunk Collection 03. I love the full-size image for steampunk. Oh, that is so cool. Yeah, I'm going to leave that one out too. I need to play with that. Mother Nature Collection 14. The very popular plate because it's got so much on it. You can do so much with that. And then the Suki Collection 05. Very, very cool. Lots of nice. I love that image. And then Suki Collection 06. With the Geisha Girl and the pretty flowers and bamboo. Beautiful. You might have seen me use some of these plates already because I couldn't resist. And then we got the Lace Collection 04. And you just can't go wrong with lace. I just used that one not too long ago. And then Lace 01. This is a fantastic plate. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You could run this all across your whole, bits and pieces of it across. Oh, adorable. Love, love that one. And then we've got another Lace Collection 03. 03. Beautiful. It's got flowers and lace, so that's nice. We have Lace Collection 02. Wow, that's like a tiny, it almost looks like a solid box, but it's not. It's got like teeny. Well, I'm going to have to try that and see how that works. Now, y'all know I love these floopy little designs like this over here. Those are so cool. Alright, and the Arabesque. This is Arabesque 08. Very nice. Lots of cool. Oh, man, these are just amazing. And then this one's Holy Shapes Collection 17. Look at that. My friend Jilly used a plate similar and did some really cool manicures. It was a maniology plate. And I said, oh, I wish I could figure out. So I'm gonna leave this one out, y'all. I'm gonna make myself come up with something cool for that one. Oh, I might have to leave this one out with it. This is Holy Shapes Collection 12. Like, that's more of the lines and bits and pieces. This could be like background stuff. So cool. Yeah, I'm going to put that one up. I'm not going to bite off more than I can chew right now. And then the Gothic 04. That's pretty cool. I love the bats and the crow. I'm not really into the gory part of Halloween. I want to do the cutesy, you know, PG rated version. And this is Asia 09. Wow. Golly, some of them are so intricate and cool. And then we've got Mother Nature, and this one's Mother Nature 11. And that's a very neat plate. Nice, nice, nice. And then Holy Shapes, another one of those. Oh, this is a great one. This is Holy Shapes 17. More of those patterns, diagonals, and plaids, and dots and lines, and that's a great one. And then we have Artist 10. Look at that. Oh, that's a pretty plate. It's got a lot. Oh my gosh, it's got a lot on it. Very cool. Okay, now we're heading into the Beauty Big Bang plates, and I think I'm going to cut it off here, and I'll show some more in another video. Like I said, she sent me a bunch. Okay, these are Beauty Big Bang, and this is XL023. Bunch of beautiful flower images. Very, very nice. And XL024. Might have used this one, I can't remember. Looks familiar. I like that though. And then we've got XL021. A lot of leaves and foliage. Excellent backgrounds. And look at that one's got a little bitty deer. That is too cute. Alrighty, and then we've got XL018, and this one's like skulls. Now, see, I don't mind skulls for Halloween. You know, I kind of dig them. I just don't want the gory end of it, I guess. It's not so much that I don't want to see any of the scary stuff. I just prefer the more tame side of it. It'll be here before you know it. And then we got XL017, and this is more of like a geometrical, kind of groovy looking plate. That's my groovy plate here, y'all. Number 17. We've only got like 3 more to go. Hang in. Beauty Big Bang XL16, and there are some really cool images on there too. That one's really drawing my eye. Kind of weird. I like the stars too. So there we go with that. And then this one is 022. This is some more florals. You got your big square images, and then you got ones you could use pieces off of. Very nice. And the last one from Beauty Big Bang is 011. And that's butterflies and flowers and trees. Look at that tree. That is too cool. Got a lady's face. Very nice, very nice. Well, Miss Becky, if you see this, I'm floored. I'm absolutely in love with everything. I want to thank you so much for sending me all these goodies. And for you guys out there, if I can find links, I will definitely leave a link for CADS, Moyu London, and Beauty Big Bang down below. I do have a discount code for Beauty Big Bang if you want to use it to get, I think it's 10% off. So I will leave those down there. Let me see. And that is it for me today. I'm going to leave a couple of these plates out and use them before they get put up, and hopefully you guys will get to see that. You know you will. I'll share it, I promise. So that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.